Hello, friends. I'm back once again with yet one more episode of Mindful Mondays with Madhuban. Again, a story to begin with. This time, the story is not a fictitious story, it's a real story. During the session of a seminar on management, our former Chief Election Commissioner, Mr. T.N. Session, he was returning back from a seminar, and while traveling, he was accompanied by his wife. And as they were traveling by the road, his wife saw a large mango plantation. She got fascinated by that mango plantation, and the trees were filled with sparrows' nests. And she tells her husband to take two nests back home. And he was a person of status, and he just told the police escort to stop the car, and they found a boy who was there, and they told that boy to go and bring two nests for them. And he was simply grazing his cows in the field, and he offered to pay him some money for that. So the boy told Mr. Session that Sahib, I will not do it. तो उन्होंने बोला, डू यू वांट मोर मनी? इसे नहीं साहिब, आप कितना भी मुझको पैसा दे दें, मैं ये काम नहीं करूँगा. तो ही वॉज टेकन अबैक कि भाई ये बच्चा क्यों मना कर रहा है. उसने बोला, साहिब मैं आपको कितने भी पैसे ले लूँ, पर अगर वो चिड़िया जिसका ये घोंसला है, जब वो घर लौटेगी और अपने बच्चों को नहीं पाएगी, उस घोंसले को नहीं पाएगी अपने बच्चों के साथ, तो वो रोएगी, और मेरे में वो उसका रोना देखने का दिल नहीं है. So that story, Mr. Session says that I came back, and he says that the whole position of my IAS label melted away in front of that small little boy. He said that I stand in front of that young boy feeling as small as the mustard seeds. And he says that after returning back home, this incident continued to haunt him with guilt for several days. Now, what was that? The point is that the education, position, or social status is never a yardstick for the measure of humanity. Let's not forget that knowledge is to know and understand the beauty of nature. We don't gain as much by gathering a lot of information, as long as that information does not get transformed into the wisdom. And the wisdom is useless as long as we do not apply it in our daily lives. So what we as educationists are giving to our students, that is what is matters. And what we as not only educationists, as parents also, what we are giving to our child in terms of what he needs to prepare him for the road ahead is very important. Loving a child means wanting what is best for him in the long run. So if we are the ones who are sustaining the child with his short-term goals, helping him achieve what he wants in life by, giving in to his short-term goals, then I think we are not preparing him enough for the road that lies in front of that child. And my friends, one thing more I would like to say on this, it is not what you do for your children, but what you have taught them to do for themselves. That will make them successful human beings. So don't handicap them by making their lives too easy for them. And as my favorite parenting philosophy goes, prepare your child for the road, not the road for your child. So हम आज के टाइम में जब बहुत लॉकडाउन का फेज चल रहा है और हम बच्चे का स्क्रीन टाइम को अवॉइड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज़ हाउ ही इज़ कनेक्टिंग टू हिज स्कूल, हिज टीचर्स, देन व्हाट इज़ आवर रोल एज अ पेरेंट, दैट येस, अगर हम बच्चे का एंड मोर सो जब आजकल कहीं बाहर खेलने जाने के लिए बच्चे के पास नहीं है, तो स्क्रीन टाइम आज के टाइम में इनएविटेबल बन गया है बच्चों के लिए. बट एक कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमारे हाथ में हैं, जो हमको एज अ पेरेंट इनकलकेट करनी होंगी अपने बच्चे के अंदर. एंड वन ऑफ इट इज़ सेट क्लियर लिमिट्स. Now, when I'm talking about setting clear limits, I'm not only talking about setting clear limits for your child, I'm talking about setting the same kind of limits for yourself as well. If you resolve not to have a screen time on the dinner table, that means that you are not yourself also indulged in those with technology while you are with the child. So the teach them what you want to, what you actually practice what you teach them. That is what I mean to say. So this is the time when you can utilize that time for sharing the real life concerns with them, and you do a lot of collaboration in the home, and set expectations from them, set some realistic expectations from them, and involve them in everything that you do, engage them in everything that you do, and also enforce those rules with strictness. Not, again I am repeating, not only on the children but for yourself as well. And if possibly every family member resolve to take up those rules, to abide by those rules, and do not expect only the children to go by those rules. We got to teach them how to utilize technology and properly manage their screen time, rather than forcing them away from the screen time. Because we know that while they are on the studies, on the screen, we accept it, and when they are not on their studies, then we do not accept their screen time. But there has to be a demarcation, there has to be a boundary, and there has to be a set guidance for them, that this is the time, or this much is the time that they can use technology for their entertainment, and this much is the time that they can utilize the technology for gaining extra mileage, and covering that extra mileage that their teacher expects them to do while they are learning to learn, when they are taking charge of their own learning at home, what the teacher is expecting them to do. So the point is, my friends, that बच्चे वही करते हैं जो वो हमें करता हुआ देखते हैं. बच्चे वो नहीं करते जो हम उन्हें करने के लिए कहते हैं. सो आई ऑलवेज से इन माई सेशंस कि आप बच्चों को क्या कह रहे हैं, उससे ज़्यादा आपको जो ध्यान देना है वो इस बात पे ध्यान देना है कि बच्चे क्या देख रहे हैं, वो क्या सुन रहे हैं, वो क्या बोल रहे हैं. that we all as parents correct, but वो क्या सुन रहे हैं और वो क्या देख रहे हैं with you as the role model, that we need to take care of. That's all that I want to say today, but I would just say 4 lines. The path of life is long, but walk with the song. There are fears and tears, but walk with cheers. We know that God doesn't require us to be the best. He just wants us to do our best, and He will take care of the rest. So, have a nice and blessed day. See you. Bye.